Family creates Afrosoul.
Yes.
It started back in 2001. Getting Academy. There's an academy in Durban, KZN. So yeah, that's where we started. Then we got 3 albums. Our first album was Africa. The second one was Semngane, like we are small. The third one, which is the latest one, is Rebirth.
Oh, nice. So for you, how does it feel being the only girl in the group?
The flower amongst the thorns. Yeah, kumnandi ngiyajabulisa kakhulu. They teach me a lot of things.
Yeah.
As they're more mature than me, badala. So bangikhulisa anyway. Yeah. It's
This album,
I'll
talk about this album,
Rebirth.
We recorded this album 12 months.
So
we make one album.
Like we released last year November, but we couldn't. There were like many problems in our company. Yeah. But then now, like we just released it last week.
Absolutely.
Baby wozalana funa ukukhuluma nawe baby wozalana funa sibonisana mina nawe tema ngibona afumi mangithule baby wozalana ngitshela indaba
Mama, ataka Afrosoul itakupesha we Afrosoul itakupesha we
How nashoni lak mudulet into yami yo wapelunya lokusbang indemngane nje How nashoni lak mudulet into yami Depend